Alright folks, we're back. This might look familiar to you. This is the other half of that attempted crotch bowl last week. It turned out to be just a bowl instead of a crotch bowl, which I think turned out pretty good, but quite a few comments said, now what are you going to do with the other piece? And honestly, I don't know. We've got some interesting bug holes, cracks, spalting, the scar from the crotch. I'm wondering if there's either a candlestick or a goblet inside of here. I think I can definitely get a candlestick. I don't know if I can get a goblet, but I figure I'll rise to the challenge and see what I can do with this.
Hello and welcome back to the Woodsty. Today, Zed is on a candlestick. Candlesticks began as practical holders for candles in ancient Egypt and Rome, evolved into ornate decor during the Renaissance, and became common household items by the 18th century. With electricity's rise in the 20th century, their role shifted to decoration and ritual, where they remain today as symbols of tradition, ambience, and art. Our vocabulary word of the day is bobesh. A bobesh is the drip tray located just below the part of the candlestick that the candle sits in. It is intended to keep wax from dripping down the candle and damaging furniture or tablecloths. So there you go folks. Enjoy the show? Hit those buttons, leave a comment, and go clean your bobesh so it doesn't overflow and damage your tablecloth.
So when you're doing these natural curve beads and coves, you gotta get the ratio. Like right now, this is too bulbous for the shape I'm going for. So I'm gonna start working towards the diameter I want, but risk goes up the further I go. So see what happens. Alright everybody, there's the apricot candlestick. Fits a nice snug candlestick in there. Got the little drip tray here. I was really enjoying kind of working out these beads. I think they're still a little bit proud compared to what I was shooting for, but you know, you build your skills, and someday I'll be able to do smaller ones. But it's also a trade-off, because the more you take off, the less you're going to get this beautiful apricot grain. So I've got a little bit of that scar from where the crotch was. I'll let you all be the judge. Did I go too far or not far enough? Comments below. Stay tuned for the montage. I'll put it next to the bowl that it was partnered with. And then we'll see you next week, same time, same channel, and go make some sawdust of your own. All right, bye.